A gluten-free diet is a nutritional plan that excludes the protein gluten, which is found in grains such as wheat, barley, rye, and their hybrids. This type of diet is essential for individuals diagnosed with celiac disease, an autoimmune disorder where gluten ingestion leads to damage in the small intestine. For people with non-celiac gluten sensitivity, a gluten-free diet can help alleviate symptoms like bloating, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. To follow a gluten-free diet, one must avoid any foods or beverages containing these grains or any derivatives. Many naturally gluten-free foods are available, such as fruits, vegetables, meat, poultry, fish, dairy, beans, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Processed foods, however, can be tricky as they may contain hidden sources of gluten in the form of additives or preservatives. Reading labels carefully is crucial for maintaining a strict gluten-free diet. Certification symbols, such as the gluten-free certification, can help guide choices. There are numerous gluten-free alternatives to traditional products, including gluten-free bread, pasta, and baked goods, often made from rice, corn, or almond flour. It's also important to be cautious of cross-contamination, which can occur if gluten-free foods come into contact with gluten-containing foods, whether in the kitchen or during food production. Dining out requires vigilance and clear communication with restaurant staff to ensure dishes are prepared safely. Though a gluten-free diet can be challenging to maintain, many people find it improves their symptoms and overall health, making the effort worthwhile. There's growing availability of gluten-free products and resources, making it easier than ever to follow this dietary plan without sacrificing variety or nutrition.